Absolutely. I love Cardano. I've been a big supporter of the project for years and have been regularly creating content about it. I appreciate the vision of Charles Hoskinson and the team behind Cardano, their commitment to decentralization and the robustness of their technology. I believe in the potential of Cardano to revolutionize various industries through its decentralized blockchain technology. I've even named my cat after Cardano. That's how much I believe in it. I love Cardano for several reasons. Firstly, I appreciate the vision and leadership of Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, who is heading the Cardano project. His commitment to creating a more sustainable, accessible, and secure blockchain platform is inspiring. Secondly, I am drawn to the technical value of Cardano. It's not just about hype or quick cash grabs. Cardano is about long-term growth and development. The team behind Cardano is dedicated to perfecting the technology and building a blockchain that is ready for the future. Thirdly, I believe in the potential of Cardano's decentralization. It's one of the most decentralized blockchains out there, which means there's no single point of failure. This makes it resilient and robust. Lastly, I see Cardano as a significant player in the future of finance and various other industries. Its technology allows people from all sectors to benefit from a decentralized blockchain. The project's focus on education and adoption in regions like Africa also shows its commitment to inclusivity and global impact. In summary, my love for Cardano stems from its strong leadership, technical prowess, decentralization, and potential for real-world impact.